Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here with Catnpaws. So I come home from work yesterday, and on my porch step is this beautiful package from Kimmy Kim. So I will link her channel below. How sweet of her. Look at this. The doily heart and the washi tape. And I'm with Corn Rally. Kimmy Kim took that clear tape and went over it, and so when it goes through the machines at the post office, it doesn't get caught and pull up. So Corn pointed that out. I am all for it as well. I might have to give that a try because I am so I'm so afraid that I'm going to ruin a package by putting this kind of decorative accent on it and then just ruin it. But all right, I haven't looked inside. I did open it though, and for the most part, let's have a look-see. She also decorated the front, but all the addresses and stuff are on there. And look, her hair. Static is so bad right now this time of year. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Look how precious that is. A heart bag and stickers. Yes. Oh, those are adorable. And that's actually raised. Very nice. Oh, thank you. And look at this ornament, or I guess would it be Valentine's Day ornament or just an embellishment. If what the birdie says is true, I'm the only girl for you. Has glitter on it. I have to put that on my knob, my desk knob, so I can admire it, because Valentine's Day is fast approaching, but still far enough away. About a month, a little under a month. Oh, let me look in there. I have a guess what this may be. So let me see if there's a card. I did see one in there. Yes, right here. Oh, look there. So it says Gretchen. And a little cute little heart. Aw. And oh, just happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your goodies. Love ya, Kimmy Kim. Oh, you bought that tissue paper at Tuesday morning. I do like their tissue paper. I like that it's scalloped. And I'm just going to end up making a mess, so. Is it? Yes, it is. Pocket letter. Sweet. With a shaker card. I tell you, I'm falling in love with these pocket letters. So cute. Heart's true love. Oh, look at that. Looky there. I love that. Oh, and ow, sticker. So let me put that back in. I'll flip it over. What is that? Pocket letter etiquette. Show the front and then flip it over. And I got just a wee bit stuck. There. Okay, so that's what the front looks like. The little clip. And shakers. In the back. Oh, wow. Thank you. That's very nice. Very nice. And some stickers. Some little tags. There's the owl sticker. Shaker pocket. More of the heart confetti. And oh, I see. Oh, where does everybody get these little bags from? I've got a couple of things in these little bags, and I never can find them. I have the bigger ones I got from Walmart. I think those are erasers or something of the sort. The rubber embellishments, maybe. And put that back on there, and some more tags. I want to sneak over here. Okay. A paper clip was just holding everything in. Oh, how cute. Hey there, honey bear. Very nice. Thank you so much. And some trim. Very cute. My third pocket letter I've ever received. I actually have a place I store them at. So I'll move that. I'll move this over here. And I saw some stickers when I peeked in. Oh, and some candy. Oh, goody, goody, goody. Oh, and these bags. I saw you haul these, and I said, wow, if I had a Hobby Lobby near me, you better believe I'd get some of these bags. And I love the feel and the texture of them. A pencil. Smells very candy-like in there. How cute. I saw you haul these as well. I believe these are bubbles. Yes. And oh, so that's what I was smelling. Let me smell that again. Yep, it was. You ever get strawberry? Well, back in the day when you got strawberry shortcake doll, you were like the child of the 80s. And that's what strawberry shortcake smelled like. Her hair. Maybe more like blueberry muffin smelled that way. Oh, those are sweet. Pun intended. Tiny conversation hearts. And oh, chocolate. Chocolate. I'm going to take this all out because I want to preserve that bag. And hoard it for my own self, you know. Chocolates. That's Samantha coming down the steps. If you hear that, that's precious. I do like that a lot. Stickers. Let me do that so you can see them. And all red. Wow, 4 packs of stickers. Thank you. Oh, that's pretty. The pink, the black, the silver. And emojis. And some hearts and little envelopes. I think that's coming in frame. Wow, very generous, thank you. Let's see, one more thing. Yes. It's like Christmas in January, which is a good time too, when you got the after Christmas blahs. It snowed a little bit today. Just a coating, but I'm not pretty much done with the snow. It can go away. I'm ready to head into February. I know a lot of January babies out there, but I'm a February, moving into a spring kind of gal. Oh, no way. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to control my mouth because I almost, did an explicitive there. Oh, no way. She hauled this and I fell in love, and she said she got it at Joann's, and I never made it over there. I haven't been over there since before Christmas. Oh my goodness, it's the kitty journal. Look at that. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. I'm joking. Sweet. Yes. Oh, I never made it. She answered my comment, which Kimmy Kim always answers your comments. And I thought, oh, I need to get over there and look. And I never did. Chasing Lola. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, how cute, how cute, how cute. Oh. Has a little clip. Oh, that is precious. Sweet. Thank you so much. I love it. I really was like, I need to get me one of those, and she took care of it for me. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Get out of these winter blahs, and I will talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Bye.